Ladies and gentlemen, this is TVP World. You're watching another edition of Military Mind, bringing you news from the front lines. I'm your host, Benjamin Lee. Overnight, the Ukrainian Air Force successfully intercepted 19 out of the 21 drones launched by Russia, targeting multiple regions. These lab waves are focused on the western region of Lviv, where it left one man wounded and damaged a multi-story residential building, according to the mayor. Elsewhere in the country, no major casualties or damage were reported. In recent days, Ukrainian forces have recaptured positions near Litsky, north of Kharkiv city, amid ongoing fierce battles in Heliboke. Ukrainian counterattacks continue in this area as Russian forces push on with frequent assaults and swiftly replenish their reserves. In the Donetsk region, Russian troops have increased their activity near Chasiv Yar and Donetsk, areas that have experienced relative calm until just now. South of Chasiv Yar, near Donetsk, Russian forces attempted to seize the initiative, conducting 5 unsuccessful ground attacks near the settlement of New York, Pivnichne, and Pivdenne, according to the Ukrainian General Staff. Despite the efforts to penetrate deeper into Ukrainian positions, Russian forces only managed to approach the outskirts of Pivnichne. However, they failed to achieve a critical breakthrough in Ukraine's defense lines. In this opening clip, see an artilleryman from the 95th Air Assault Brigade smiling at Russians fleeing through the ravines, getting their just desserts. His crew has just taken out a group of invaders attempting to storm their positions, but their guns are capable of hitting bunkers and shelters with pinpoint accuracy and left the Russians with few prospects for survival. Let's take a look at how the 95th Precision Artillery Fire is making a significant impact on the battlefield.
Один вогонь. Один вогонь. Один вогонь. Один вогонь.
Армата! Армата!
Відновити наведення. Плюс. Плюс.
Так, останнім часом роботи багато, по сравненню з іншими часами вистачає роботи. Бо ворог почав лізти більше наступів, штурмів. Нічого, справляємося. Та цілі різні бувають, так як і піхота, так і бронетехніка. Що засічемо, потім і працюємо.
Увага! Now watch as a HIMARS system delivers precision strikes on Russian forces dug in at a school in Volchansk. The footage provided by the Merchika units of the 57th Mechanized Brigade shows the powerful impact and accuracy of modern rocket artillery in action, as Ukrainian forces continue to push back against the Russians. Now watch this gripping first-person footage from the soldiers of the 101st Guard Brigade of the General Staff. Coordinated efforts between mortar crews and infantry led to significant Russian losses and a successful recapture of the position in the Kharkiv area. Take a look.
Відпресував, знаєш. Давай, вперед! Минулі позиції займаємо.
По 300, добрий по 300, 130 в мене.
Давай, будинок напроти.
Наші мінометка хуярить, наша мінометка.
Відбили позиції. Ой, а що пулі з 0 показує, блядь? Що з їбалом, долбойоб?
Foreign volunteers are fending off an enemy attack at close quarters. This first-person video from the city of Chasiv Yar in the Donetsk region shows the intense up-close combat as these brave fighters hold the line. Let's see the raw, gripping footage.
Heavy contact! Heavy contact! Давай! Allez, go! We have enemies behind. Friendly coming. Где второй? Вот калаш,
Окей, дрон, давай.
let's go.
Окей, дрон.
Let's go here. Drone over us. Here. Okay, move. Fuck. Ah. Выходите, что я могу убить вас, курва! Go! Ah, kasar pa mga Very good. Don't let them cross. Kill them all. Fire so they are cut off. Do not fucking question. And I'm in the field, goddammit.
And with that footage, we conclude this edition of Military Mind. But for more news, update, and commentary, please stay tuned to TVP World.